Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to organize a soccer team schedule using Airtable. This will be your full guide for 2025. First off, log into your Airtable account. If you don't have one, create it. It's free and easy. You'll want to start a new base. This helps us because each base represents a different project, and in this case, our project is the soccer team schedule. Now that we've done that, let's create some essential fields. Name the first field date. This will help us keep track of when each match is. The second field will be opponent. This lets us know who we are playing against. The third field should be location, so we know where the game is. The reason we do this is to have all the crucial details about each match in one place. Next up, let's add our matches. Click on the plus icon to add a new record. Type in the date, opponent, and location for your first match. Repeat this process for all your matches. This helps us because we will have a clear overview of the entire season at our fingertips. Now that we have our matches in, let's take it a step further. Add a field called Results. After each match, you can update this field with the score. This helps us because it allows us to keep a record of how the team is doing throughout the season. Let me explain why this matters. Having a record of your results can help in future planning and strategy. Next, create a notes field. Here, you can jot down any important observations or things to remember about each game. This will help you remember specific details about each match that can be useful for future reference. Lastly, you can customize your view. Choose how you want your data displayed: grid, calendar, Kanban, or gallery. I recommend the calendar view for a schedule. This way, you can visualize your entire season at a glance. And there you have it. You've just organized a soccer team schedule using Airtable. Remember to keep it updated as the season progresses. This way, you'll always be on top of your game. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next tutorial.